Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am super excited because I am doing the unboxing review of this amazing device. This right here is Ulefone Armor 3. This is a rugged smartphone that is shockproof, dustproof and waterproof. This smartphone does not look like anything like a normal smartphone, but it can actually do 95% of the things that a normal smartphone can do. And in addition, it can do a lot of other things that a normal smartphone can never do. So let's start with the unboxing of this device. This phone right here has a big huge yellow colored box, and the box is very heavy. Let us look at the specifications of the box. It says IP69K IP68 proof, 13 megapixel plus 21 megapixel cameras at the front and the back, and it has a 5.7-inch full HD display, Helio MediaTek P23 octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, fingerprint and face unlock, Android 8.1 and 10,300 milliampere battery. And this phone supports reverse charging, which means you can charge other devices with this phone. So let's look at what is there inside the box. So we have this thanks message from Ulefone that is looking for whether we are happy or unhappy. Well, definitely I am very happy with this device. And now this phone is quite heavy. Let us look at the side of this phone. This side says waterproof, and this is the push to talk button, PTT. This is the volume rocker, and on the other side it says shockproof. This is the power button, and on the top this is a screw for antenna. Well, this phone is Ulefone Armor 3, but actually the 3T comes with a walkie-talkie function. In that phone, this push to talk button works for the walkie-talkie, and here we insert the antenna. But this phone is one Armor 3, so in this phone there is no walkie-talkie option, so kind of this button is a dummy button. Now let us compare this phone with the other devices. Like, this is my Ulefone Armor 3, and if I compare it with some other phones like the Samsung Galaxy A50, so to give you the perspective, see the width of the device. So this Ulefone looks nowhere like a normal smartphone. And just to give you more perspective, I'm going to show you how it looks like near a OnePlus 3T, and how it looks like in front of Samsung Galaxy S6. And here we have another smaller phone, that is iPhone 6. So if I compare this with iPhone, well, there is no comparison. It is like 4 times in width and a lot of difference in the screen size. And in weight, I can easily say that this Ulefone is 5 times or maybe 6 times as heavy as this iPhone 6. And just to give you one more perspective, let us compare with this Nokia 8110. So if I compare the weight, it's at least 4 to 5 times heavier than this Nokia 8110, and this is the size comparison. Now let us talk about what is inside the box of this device. So let's see what else is there inside the box. So here we have a couple of accessories inside the box. The first one is this fast charger. This is a charger based on the US pin because I ordered this phone from Amazon.com. Now other than that, we get this box that says a couple of connectors. So this one right here is my USB type C to USB converter. So basically I can plug this USB type C to my Ulefone, and in this USB I can plug in any other device and charge that device, or I can connect a mouse, or I can connect a USB storage. Other than that, we get this USB type C to aux converter, because this phone does not get any aux port. So for media and for connecting headphones, we do need this converter. And the third one is this USB type C to micro USB converter. So in case you have something like you want to charge with a cable that is micro USB, you can use this connector. So couple of great accessories that are nowhere seen in any other smartphone. Other than that, we also get this box. Inside this we have this manual and this card for an app called Zello app. It's asking me to download this app, and this is the warranty card. Other than that, we also get an additional screen protector for this device. Now what else? There is still more stuff inside the box. Let us see. So this right here, it seems to be a mount for the bike. So basically we can use this mount to mount this phone on a bike. Let's see how it looks like. This is the mount. I can mount it on the handlebar of my bike and put the device in this mount. Other than that, we get this solid red color cable that looks exactly similar to the one that we get in the OnePlus phones, and these two very nice adjusters for the cable. So it feels solid, rugged, and it looks like it is going to stay there forever. Other than that, we also get this strap to hold this phone. Is there anything else? Yes, there is one last thing, that is the screwdriver, because it is not easy to insert SIM cards in this device. So we basically have to open these screws and then insert the two SIM cards and the memory card in this device. And let's look at the front part of this phone. So this phone comes with a pre-installed screen protector. So what I have to do is I have to remove this easily, and this is the screen protector. As you can see, that is pre-installed on this device, and in case I happen to destroy this screen protector with usage, then I get an additional screen protector also. So that all sounds like a very good deal to me. So this phone is basically made for the people who like want to climb the mountains, or they are always outside in the jungle where they are very likely to make their phone fall from heights, and nothing is going to happen to this phone. Now let's move ahead and let's turn on this device and let's see how it's like to operate this device. That says Ulefone Armor 3 powered by Android, and by the time this phone boots up, let me show you the Type-C port of this device. So here we get the Type-C port and this solid rugged cover for the Type-C connector. Let us look at the SIM tray. So I have opened already the SIM tray of this phone. So this is how it looks like. I had to actually open this metal plate, and these are the 4 screws that I had to open using this screwdriver that is provided by the Ulefone itself. So we have seen that how to insert the SIM card in this device. So we have to remove the metal plate from the back hand side, and we have to insert 2 SIM cards in this slot like this. So I have installed 2 SIM cards. One is the Airtel SIM card and the second is the Reliance Jio SIM card. And now let's unlock this device. So this device supports dual 4G and dual volt. I have installed Airtel and Reliance Jio SIM, and dual 4G and dual volt is working fine in this device. Now let us look at the software of this device. So I have actually configured the fingerprint sensor on this device. So let me try to unlock this. So as we can see that this fingerprint sensor is very fast. Let's try this one more time. So it just unlocks it immediately. So this is really good, and I also suggest that if we want to use this phone like this, so I also suggest to enable the fingerprint sensor on this finger as well. So as we can see now, let's lock the device, and now this will be really handy to unlock it like this. Yeah, so now let us look at the software. So this phone is easy to use, but this thing is quite heavy, so you just need to know it before buying it that this thing is quite heavy. And then it's the standard Android 8.1. we can see the specifications. Let's go to the settings and look at the system. So it's Android 8.0. So there is Android Oreo, and let us look at some of the hardware specs of this device. So the storage says 8.47 GB used of 64 GB with the pre-installed softwares. And let us look at the battery. So it says the battery is 96%, and I just opened this phone, so maybe it says that it was charged 1 hour 21 minutes ago, but actually this phone was turned on for the first time 1 hour 21 minutes ago. So that is why it is showing that. And there are no bloatwares, no additional apps. It's just the plain Android feel that we get here. And this phone is quite fast. There is no issue in operating this phone. So just to sum up, so this was a quick unboxing review of this phone, and I will be coming back with a full detailed review of this phone while I'll be using it with my primary SIM in this device. But as of now, it was a quick unboxing review, and my first impressions are this is a great phone, and it is an awesome device considering its rugged capabilities. And we can also do underwater shooting in this device, and this has a humongous battery, and it can also charge other devices, and it runs Android Oreo, and it can do everything that a smartphone can do. The only downside is the size and the weight. So this thing is not easy to carry around normally, so that is gonna be a problem. So if you are thinking of buying such device, you just need to be aware that this device is heavy and this device is huge. Other than that, if you are okay with this thing, I think everything else is just awesome with this device. And before that, just let's also have a look at the camera of this device. So in the rugged phones, it is not common to have such good cameras, but in this case we get 21 megapixel camera. So I've done some testing with this camera, and the camera looks awesome as of now, but I will do more detailed and rigorous testing and come up with a complete review of this device. But as of now, my first impressions are this is a great device. Just check for the size before buying it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button, and for more such crazy videos, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you have any further questions on this, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.